students, how are you all? I hope all are safe at your home. Welcome back to the online video classes of English for 10th class. In the previous video, we have seen some of the failure stories and who achieved the success. So in this video, you are going to see some more great persons who achieved success despite of their failures. So today you are going to see a famous person that are Wright brothers. The picture whom you are seeing are the Wright brothers. Do you know the names of the Wright brothers? Orville Wright and Wilbur Wright. Who are they? They are the American pioneers generally credited with invention, building, flying the most successful motor-operated airplane. The name of the first aircraft was Wright Flyer. This is the first airplane. This is a Wright Flyer they had invented. First airplane. And they both, as a pilot and a passenger, they traveled in that airplane. So they didn't have the high school diploma. With the components of cycle, they have prepared this aircraft. With the components of cycle, as before they were bicycle manufacturer, so they got an idea of inventing a machine. So within they got the idea, they immediately started their work with the components of bicycle and prepared this aircraft. So at a New York Times editorial on December 10th, 1903, they questioned the wisdom of Wright brothers that they are going to invent a machine heavier than air that would fly. Some of the historians argued that they were excellent self-taught engineers. They can manage a small-scale industry, but they didn't have the business skills and temperament to dominate the growing aviation industry. So 1 week later, at Kitty Hawk, the Wright brothers gave answers to all the humiliations by taking that famous flight, Wright Flyer. So imagine if they had stopped their invention without having money. Nobody funded money to their invention. They worked hard in the bicycle manufacturer and made with the components of cycle and they succeeded in that invention. So there is a proverb. Learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge. And knowledge makes you great. So this is an apt for Wright brothers. Imagine if they stopped the invention, what would happen? Can we have the aeroplane? So creativity is very important in order to achieve success. So this is the story of Wright brothers. Let us see another person, that is Colonel Sanders. Colonel Sanders. Who is Colonel Sanders? Colonel Sanders is the owner of KFC chicken. KFC. By listening the word itself, your mouth will water. Yes. He became a brand ambassador for this KFC. Fried chicken. Kentucky Fried Chicken. This is a famous recipe of Colonel Harland Sanders' mother's recipe. So he faced so many troubles, so many humiliations. He had so many failures in his life. He achieved the KFC success at the age of 65. He didn't give up until he get the age of 65. Wherever he went, he got failures. He faced so many obstacles in life. So let us see the details of Colonel Sanders. The person whom you are seeing is, this is a person, Colonel Sanders. He was rejected 1009 times before his first chicken was sold. Let us see some of the failures of Colonel Sanders. He was married at 19, later divorced. Next, he had son who died from infected tonsils. He got job at railroads, lost it for fighting with colleague. Practical law until his law career ended for having a brawl with his own client in courtroom. Moved back with mom, got job with a life insurance company, lost it for subordination. Started ferry boat company, cashed shares to start lamp manufacturing company which failed. Got job as tire salesman, lost it. Ran a service station which closed due to Great Depression. Ran another service station for 10 years, was going well. Then a fire burned it down. He rebuilt it into restaurant and motor. But World War II dried up tourism and his business failed. Worked as assistant cafeteria manager for 10 years. He started licensing his chicken idea to restaurants at the age of 65. He drove from restaurant to restaurant, sleeping in his car to cook chicken and negotiate franchise rights. Grew it over 600 franchises known as Kentucky Fried Chicken. So, after listening the failures of Colonel Sanders, what is the moral you have learnt? Success is coming and never give up. There is a word of Colonel Sanders. Let us see. Do all you can and you do it the best you can. It's the only way you ever get that feeling of accomplishing something. So, what is his word? Do whatever you can. You try hard. Definitely the success will come to you. So, to achieve success, you should have patience. So, from Wright Brothers, what you learned, you should have creativity to achieve success. And from Colonel Sanders, what you have learned, you should have patience until you achieve success. So, these are the, from each personality you are getting some key points to achieve success. So, note all the points of these great persons, key points, and inspire your life. Make your life to inspire others. Thank you. One thing I want to tell you, children, don't read success stories. You will get only the message. Read the failure stories. You will get some ideas to get success. Thank you.